keep going and you'll feel it.
There you go.
Show
me what. Which one did you pick? Billy the Kid and Pat. This is where Billy the Kid is buried. There's only 3 or 4 graves in here. Joe Grant shot January 10th, 1880. Billy the Kid's exclusive tombstone. So Billy the Kid is buried with his pals Tom and Charlie. Billy the Kid is his alias name. His real name is William H. Bonney. Here lies Billy the Kid. I guess this one's Billy the Kid, the one with the rock on it, and the tombstone. Billy the Kid, born November 23rd and died July 14th, 1881. Look at all the pennies and all the coins.
Why is there pennies?
Billy the Kid.
Somebody stole that back in 1951.
Continue.
Yeah.
The things you see. We're on Route 66 and we run into Mater. Golly gee. We're on Route 66.
Oh no.
Route 66 with the bear. How you doing, bear?
Let me see.
Okay.
Wait.
Right. Batman.
You're recording, I see that.
So it's a beautiful morning and I'm having my coffee. Canyon barriers.
The Park Service has built those steps in there, but the original hand and toe hold trail, which I'm going to show you later, look right down there.
It was good.
See what you got. Right here. Mountain lion.
There you go.
What type of butterfly is it?
I'm here with Dakota and we are looking at this beautiful view. Hi. Hi.
They will bite you though.
Hi. Hi. They think they're
Oh,
rats.
there he is. Look.
Oh, it's eating the chips. He's eating the chips.
Squirrels. Do you see them? All of them?
Not me.
Look.
Right behind Mama.
The
Mama
baby.
behind you.
Right under you, Debbie.
Mama!
Yeah, literally. Smelling you.
There's one behind you. I think it's getting heavy. It's so cute.
They're crossing the road.
That baby in front of us, better.
But they all want to cross. Let them cross. It's the sound of sheep. Sound of sheep in the middle of Utah. Everywhere. There we go, crossing the road.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Let's go.
18, 19, 20. We're not here to compound you. Wait, so let's play hide and seek.
So I'm walking through the Lambs Trail in Utah. It's beautiful. Can't get prettier than this. Aspen trees and flowers. There's Dakota.
They're tiny. Now where are we going?
You see pretty plants along the way. These are the biggest dandelions I've ever seen. Look how big that is. Right to my hand. It is huge. Dakota! Where are you? Where? Your voice is going in a million places. Your voice is in a whole bunch of places.
Bye, you're jelly.
Can you hear the echo? Echo. Echo, 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 echo. What are you doing?
What's Sweetie doing?
The dogs?
Bye.
There he goes.